Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to join a new project. First, let me give you a proper introduction to the project because it's a really good one. The project's name is Orochi Network. So what is Orochi Network? Orochi Network is the world's first verifiable data infrastructure, leveraging zero-knowledge proofs (ZKPs) to ensure scalable, private, and secure data processing for Web3 applications, including AI models, ZKPs, depins, and smart contracts. As you can see, they've already raised around $12 million in funding, and it's marked as a confirmed airdrop, which is great. If you look at their investors, you can see top names like Ethereum Foundation and BNB, along with some other well-known investors backing them. So the backend is very strong for this project. If we visit their X handle, you can see they have 186k followers at the time of making this video, and they're really active here to share updates for their project, which is another positive sign. So if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now let's move on to how you can join this airdrop. When you land on this page, I'll provide my referral link, which gives you 5 ON tokens. So check it in the description. Now first click here on sign up on ID to create a new account. Then select Google, choose your email, and click continue. So we've successfully created the account. Now you need to connect your wallet. I'd recommend using MetaMask wallet, but you can also choose other wallets if you want. Here I'll select MetaMask, then connect, and then confirm. So our wallet is connected now. In the rewards section, you can claim daily reward points. The main thing is you need to click here on Prover to start your mining. As you can see, the mining has started. Basically, you need to keep this running in the background for mining. Here, as you can see, when you got around 50 ON tokens, you can claim your rewards from here. Finally, in the referral section, you can create your own referral link by clicking here on create new link, then enter your name. And click create referral. So it's done. Now you can share this link with friends to boost your earnings. For upcoming updates on this project, I'll share everything in our Telegram channel. So make sure to join us. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.